Introduce the teams for qualification match number 22. From New Orleans, Louisiana, it's Pride Robotics Team 19824. And from Raleigh, North Carolina, Team 2901, the Purple Gears. From Mendelein, Illinois, Team 10091, Not Your Average Nerds. And from Forest Hills, New York, Team 8721, the Mighty Mechanics. The field is ready. Let's randomize. It's in the center. Everybody, thumbs up. Are you ready? T-minus 3, 2. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. 3, 2, 1, go.
And the autonomous period of match number 22 has started. It looks like Mighty Mechanics already scoring some pixels on the board for the Blue Lions. It looks like they are parked for the Blue Lions, but we've got some hands on their heads indicating something went wrong, but I can't quite see it. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, NYAN Robotics, is caught on center stage, deployed a pixel, but didn't make it onto the backboard. Meanwhile, it looks like we've got 2 robots parked for the Red Alliance.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And the driver control period of match number 22 has started. Ooh, it looks like we've got some issues with the Blue Alliance. For the Mighty Mechanics, we've got a robot disabled, but that's okay because their alliance partner, NYAN Robotics, are putting in the work by collecting some pixels for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance, they're collecting colored pixel after colored pixel, looking to score some mosaics. Ooh, some collisions happening in backstage, but that's okay. Nothing is impeding scoring as far as I can tell, but we'll see about those final scores at the end of the match. It looks like more pixels are going down on the board for the human players for the Blue Alliance, looking to score some multicolored mosaics for the Blue Alliance. It looks like Purple Gears attempting to grab more pixels from the human player, 2 at a time, but their arm is dragging a little bit on the field. Hopefully that doesn't impede their progress. About 50 seconds left on the clock. Meanwhile, Mighty Mechanics grabbing more pixels. And their alliance partner, NYAN Robotics, able to score a different colored mosaic for the Blue Alliance, followed quickly by Mighty Mechanics with a similar colored pixel for the Blue Alliance as well. Almost endgame. Endgame has started. Endgame. 30 seconds left in the match. It looks like Red Alliance was able to make it to that first zone with their stacked up pixels. One blue drone goes out, and they were able to make it to that first zone. No more drones yet so far. One more red drone for the Red Alliance. And it looks like Red Alliance is also trying to get in position to hang on the bars. Mighty Mechanics are in position to hang. Their alliance partners as well. 3 seconds left. Can Red Alliance make it as well? And that's the end of match number 22. Good job, both alliances. Looks like we have final scores available for match number 22. And the Blue Alliance won with a score of 220 to 165.